Hello everyone. So today I'll be attempting the biweekly contest 177 and we'll see what happens. This is also the first time I have the face cam. Hopefully you guys like it. Yeah. Hmm. So I have one laptop monitor here in front of me, and on the right side I have an external monitor which has OBS running right now. So yeah, I can move around. I don't know whether to keep it at the bottom right or the top right. You guys let me know in the comments. I'll keep it in the bottom, sorry, top right for now. Hmm. I also have this light. Not sure if I should turn it on or not. Okay. Five, four, three, two. What was that? Okay, let's go. Hmm. Okay. One, two, three, four. This is okay. Different frequencies. Given an array in nouns. Consider all pairs of distinct values observed from nouns such that you're given an array, okay, nouns. Consider all pairs of distinct values. X is lesser than Y. Okay. Return an array XY. Okay, result is equal to minus 1. Choose a pair with the smallest possible value of X and X and Y have D. Okay, F is equal to counter of X, counter of nouns. So for in range all distinct values of X and Y, what is it? Okay, 100. Uh, if um, phi is equal to nums of j, else smallest pair is 1 with a frequency of 2 and the smallest value greater than 1 that has a different frequency of 1, thus the answer is 3. Choose the pair with the smallest value of x. Multiple pairs have this. Choose the one with the smallest possible value of y. Okay, fine. So if frequency of y is equal to nums of y, nums of j, f of x equal to f of y, return x comma y. Okay. 1 3 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, let's check if this works. Okay, fine. Merge close characters. Okay. You're given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters and an integer k. Two equal characters in the current string S is considered to be close if the distance between their indices is at most k. Is at most k. Close, okay. When two characters are close, the right one merges into the left And after each merge, the string updates until no more merges are possible. When two characters are close, the right one merges with into the left. Okay, wait. So A, B, C, A. Okay, two equal characters and the current string are considered to be close. Okay, fine. Return the result string after performing all the possible merges. If there are multiple ones, always merge a pair with the smallest left index. Okay, so fine. So this seems like a stack problem, right? So the previous is equal to defaulted lambda. Um, do I do this? What is the value? Length 100, right? Okay. Hmm. So I have to find previous of A. Okay, so previous is equal to default deck lambda let's say -1 for stack is equal to that for C and S if previous of C. Okay, let's say it's float of is it infinity or minus infinity? The current. Okay, wait. So 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 1. Okay, that's fine. Def is equal to current minus previous of um let this be -1 itself. Previous of C uh, if previous of C is equal to -1, then we previous of C is equal to -1, previous of C is equal to index. Append stacked or append C. Okay. Hmm. 0 current is equal to 1. Previous of C is equal to current. Current plus equal to 1. So if I minus current, so if diff is greater than K, then stacked pen C previous of C is equal to current, current plus equal to 1. Okay. And we return the string in the end, right? Okay, so if it's not, we just continue. Mm, join stack. Okay, ABCA. Okay, then what is the last one? YBZB. YBZ. Okay, made some mistake. Okay, A Hmm. Okay, so K is, if diff is greater than K, right? So okay, wait, it's A, so 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Um, if comma uh, a diff previews of C. Okay, I think this should be fine. Okay, my bad. Come on, make stupid mistakes. YB YBY ZYBZ. Okay, where is this? YB. Why do I have a Y? Okay, okay, so the current, it should be I itself, I think. Okay, YBYZYBZ. Is that right? Oh my god, horrible. Oh my god, stupid mistake. Oh god. YB. What is the answer for this? YBZ. Okay, why is Y coming again? Okay, Y. C comma I comma previous of C. So Y1, Y3, Y5. Okay. If Y is greater than K. If it's lesser than K, previews of C is equal to. I mean, yeah, then still. But yeah, let's just finish it properly. What am I doing? YBZBZ, YBZYBZ. Okay. Okay, so if diff minus previous by. Mm, I think it should be current itself. Maybe that was the mistake. Oh, that's no. YB. YB, okay. If def is equal to greater than k, okay, if it's lesser than k, then can k be 0? K has to be 1. Okay. So if def is equal to 1, if c was equal to 1. YBZYBZ. What is the value of k? So it's just dbb. Okay. Okay, 1D. See, YBYZYBZ. YBZYBZ. YBZYBZ. CBC. Okay, the problem is if I it's current expect this right. Oh my god. Previous of C plus equal to 1. YBZYBZ. This seems fine, I think. Oh my god, that was horrible. That was horrible. What was that? How many wrong answers did I get? 5 wrong answers. Horrible. You're given an integer array nums. An array is called parity alternating if for every index I, where I is lesser than or 0 to n minus 1, nums of I and nums of I plus 1 have different parity. What is a parity? Okay, one is in, one is out. In one operation, you can choose any index I, either increase number by 1, decrease number of I by 1. Number of operations, equal to many value of answer 1 is the minimum possible value of max of nums taken over all the arrays that are parity alternate. Max of nums, min nums taken over parity. Minimum number of operations required to make the array parity alternating. Answer to 1 is the minimum possible value. Possible value. Okay, wait. So basically we need one odd, one even, one even, one odd. Like okay, alternating. So answer of 0 is the minimum number of operations required for our array to make it parity alternating. Answer of 1 is the minimum possible value of maximum of the numbers taken over all arrays that are parity alternating that can be performed by exactly that many operations. Interesting. Okay, so this is even, odd, even. So okay, so what we can do is we have two possible alternatives. So first one can be even or first one can be odd. Now let's take the maximum. Num is equal to maximum of nums. Okay, so if so, one possible way to do it is R1 for range I range n. So the first, so let's say even indices should be even. So if I mod 2 is equal to nums of I mod 2, we don't do anything. If it's not equal, if nums of I is equal to mn, then we can just do nums of I is equal to 1, else if I is equal to 1. So the same thing. So this is R1. 1. plus equal to 1. Minus 1 is equal to none dot copy. Okay, so if nums of 1 is equal to m, okay, if it's equal, here we don't want it to be equal, then equal to increase, if it's decrease r2 plus equal to 1, r2 plus equal to 1. If r1 lesser than r2, return maximum nums of I minus nums of n. So def is equal to max of nums minus min of nums. Return r1 comma def value of r1 to so if they're equal, then it's equal to is equal to 1 261300. So okay, fine, let's, so 9 minus 1 minus 1, 4 minus 2. Is equal to mn. So is it closer to this thing or that thing? Is the question. Alex, all use of I is equal to mn minus this one. Is equal to mn plus 1. 261300 210. minus 7 is 0. Yes, minus 7. I need to make this minus 1. These stupid edge cases, yeah. Let's think this through. Okay. So minus 4, minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, minus 4. Right, the problem is with if the difference is 2, wait, not equal, then x1 is equal to max of x1, comma 5, max of max of 5. Null? I mean, wait, what? Wait a second. Max. Oof. What is nums1 here? We don't need nums1. Okay. Why is this null? Okay, wait. It's 2 and 0. Why is this 2 and 0? Okay, fine. That's the mistake. Okay. 1 is -4, -3, minus 4, is 5, is 4, is 7, is 5, is 2, is 3, is 4, is 2, is 5, is 4, is what is, if it's minimum, we increase it, right? So we decrease it to 11. Nine. If it's equal, okay, wait. If D1 greater than D2, max of mx comma two is wrong, right? Expected to 1. Okay, let us see what's going on here. Yeah. The second one is what we're concerned with. -4. -3. Array parity alternate. Okay, it's not an easy problem whatsoever. Let us think this through. Wait. Mm, mm, Take all these indices. And let's perform it cleanly now. Mm, uh, what do I call it? Let's just call it. Let's make this a set. Okay, so if let's see. Okay, wait. I mean, wait a second. Oh, let's just copy this first. I mean, I mean, it's just one more. Yeah, it's submitted now. That was that was disgusting. I feel so stupid for that. Uh, oh my god. Wait, what? This. Why am I ranked 10,000? Okay. Wait, what? 10,000 people solved this problem? Okay, I think it's not updated yet. Yeah, it's okay. My god, I was so surprised. I was like, what the hell? When you're given three integers L, R, and K, consider all possible integers consisting of exactly K digits. Three integers L, R, and K. Consider all positive integers consisting of exactly four K digits, where each digit is chosen independently from the integer range. Zeros to an integer represents sum of all such numbers. Okay, so L, R, and K, all positive possible integers consisting of exactly K digits, where each digit is chosen independently from the range LTO. This is K. Okay. So L is K is 10 power 9. Okay. Interesting. Return integers represent sum of such numbers as return modulo. Fair enough. This is a good problem. Okay. 10 power 9. Okay, this is fine. Let's say I have two, three digits, three places. So with how many? Okay, number of possible ways of choosing the digits. How do I solve this? K is equal to 0. So let's say I have 0 and 1 and then 3 digits. So I can either choose 3 zeros, 3 ones, 2 zeros and 1 1, 1 2 ones and okay, yeah. If I find 3 zeros, we have only one permutation, right? If I choose if I choose 2 is equal to 3. Two ones and 1 0. So that means if the first digit is a 0, is it just not 1 into what is the total number of permutations that can happen? That would be 2, 2, 2 is equal to 8. So it's so it's 8 plus 80 plus the total number of permutations is 8. Okay, total number of permutations is 8. And how many of them? Total number of permutations is 8. So 8 divided by 2 to 4. So it's 4 plus 40 plus 400. 444. Okay. Okay, so the total number of permutations is equal to is equal to uh, k power of k to the power of uh, n is equal to l minus l plus 1. Okay, that is the total number of permutations. So for num and range plus 1. P is equal to terms divided by k. K is not equal to this 10, 9, 7. Result is equal to result plus norm times t input. Just take this for example. Okay, wait. N power k. Okay. New times t. Okay, fine. Now for range 1 to, okay, for range, the length of the numbers is n. Current is equal to I times num times t res is equal to res plus current mod 44. That makes sense. Zero, 4, and 40 should be right. 10 power I, sorry, not n, should be 66 or 44, 55 something something 20. Let's see if this works. Wrong answer. Okay. Hmm. 622504944. 4942 is the answer. Okay, so we have 9 digits, but 9 numbers as well. Hmm. Um, Not quite sure about this one. Hmm. Why is this wrong? Bombs. Okay, let's. Okay, first. Two comma three. Case 3 is different. Case 2 is 2 comma 3. So 0 and 1 is equal to 2, which is n. K is equal to number of digits. So it should be power of 2 comma 3, 8, which is right. 8 divided by 2, which is correct. For in range Q. Seems fine. Don't see why this is an issue. Why is that an issue? Case 4 is 9, then 9 again, K. Um, okay, wait, did I? First of all, let's do this first. And now, where's- what is, okay, fine, it's that also teacher division. Okay, so time limit exceeded. For, okay, K can be up to, wait, what is, The number of digits itself can be 10 power 9. Right, that's huge. Hmm. Let's say we have, I know k already. K is equal to, let's say 3. So I need, say some 4 into basically 10 power. Okay, so 4 into 10 power 0 plus 10 power 1 plus 10 power 2 plus 10 power 3 plus 10 power k. How do I do this? What is 10 power 1 plus 10 power 2? Okay, so this is equal to this sheet here. 12 minutes. Need to derive this math. Gotten a little rusty in math. Where is my page? Give me a book. This is just sum of GP 1 into k minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. So this whole thing is equal to current foo of k minus 1 is equal to minus 1. and that, so that now times t times that 622, and that seems fine. Time limit exceeded again. Hmm. The denominator mean denom- okay, wait. It is working. The problem is with this function. So this k is 10 power 9. It's not that easy. And then 3,000 people solved. Hmm. How do I solve this thing? If I add my own power function. How do I solve this? Okay, can get 10 power 9. Hmm. Yeah, this is unsolvable for me. I'm not sure if I'm in the right approach as well. We'll have a look at it after the timer ends though. But yeah, for now, this is the what I think I will get around, yeah, 4,000. And not bad, not good. It's okay. Let's check what our prediction says. Okay, so it says, okay, I'm gonna lose rating for 3,200 itself. Mm, To be completely honest, this time was horrible. It was one of my worst performances. But yeah, let's have a look at the solution after the contestants. I think I'll end the video though. Yeah, I'll just look at the solution later. But yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. Let me know if the face cam should be there or if I should remove it. I'm still not sure. Yeah, have a nice day.